Woo, we've got a lot of snow in the forecast. I'm excited about it, but not to drive in it. And if you are planning to drive this afternoon into our Thursday, have a backup plan, or maybe snowshoes and skis in the back of your vehicle, because look at and of course your emergency weather kit. Make sure you've got that ready to go. Look at this very colorful cotton candy-esque map as we've got winter storm warnings in pink and a cute little winter weather advisory for Dickinson County. We're going to zoom into all these counties and go over what you need to know. So until Thursday, 7 a.m. Eastern time, Gogebic, Ontonagon, South Houghton, and Baraga counties could see 6 to 12 inches, 45-mile-an-hour gusts, which means it's going to feel very cold, even chillier than what those highs are going to be expected. Up north for North Houghton and Keweenaw counties, 1 to 12 inches until 1 o'clock Eastern time on Thursday. 50-mile-an-hour winds there, and we'll zip on down to Iron County. 3 to 9 inches is possible until noon. We've got Alger County, Schoolcraft, and Luce counties until Thursday at 1 p.m. Eastern time. 8 to 13 inches is possible. Of course, we could have heavier snow in those or heavier amounts in those higher locations. 50-mile-an-hour winds Thursday until 1 p.m. Also for Delta County, 3 to 9 inches, 45-mile-an-hour winds, and it's going to be definitely reduced visibility along both of the lake shores, so be prepared for that. Marquette County will take this winter storm warning until 7 p.m. Eastern time on your Thursday, where we could see 5 to 12 inches, less action by the lake and more as you get further away from the city of Marquette. Big gusty winds up there too, 50-mile-an-hour winds. Winter weather advisory for our friends in Dickinson County, 1 to 3 inches. But again, those blustery winds around 45 miles an hour for the gusts. Now checking out how much snow we could have by 10:30, around 2.2 for Manistee, maybe an inch up there in Houghton and that Keweenaw Peninsula. Those numbers are going to definitely be increasing, as well as further inland with Baraga and Big Bay, seeing maybe 3 inches for Big Bay by 8 o'clock this evening. A dusting here in Marquette, maybe half an inch in the city. And then for Thursday morning, your commute is definitely going to be impacted. Make sure you are please giving room for those snow plows, especially if you're behind them. A quick look at those gusts today. We could see around 50 miles an hour for Houghton and Marquette. We'll zoom down a little bit on Thursday, but most of that wind action will continue into the early evening hours on Thursday as well. So lots of rounds of snow pushing in from the northwest there, and primarily staying in, well, all the zones we talked about. We could have a clearing for the most part on that Thursday morning. And then maybe some sunshine in the afternoon for some of us, but make sure you are staying in tune with any weather alerts as we've got very crazy situations with this winter weather for the next 48 hours. Houghton and Keweenaw, a high of 28 today, gusts around 50. Marquette, Negaunee, and Ishpeming, a 31-degree high for today. 50-mile-an-hour winds will drop down to 26 degrees on Thursday. Iron Mountain and Kingsford, a high of 29 today. Look at that low, 14 tonight. Maybe 8 for Thursday evening. Escanaba and Gladstone, a high of 32 degrees today. We'll see 40-mile-an-hour winds there, 29 for your Thursday, and 40-mile-an-hour gusts also on Thursday.